barbecue sauce. Boys and girls, how y'all doing, man? Today we got some McDonald's. We got a nice little McDouble here. Got a 10-piece nugget. Got medium fry. I ate some fries on the way here, so I apologize for that. We got some barbecue sauce. Let's dig right in. Let's go. You can never go wrong with McDonald's. You can never go wrong with it. Dip in the barbecue sauce. I ain't trying to hear no hate about McDonald's, man. McDonald's, it just tastes so good. I don't know. It's like, especially at night, it hits the best at night. Yo, this is hitting so good right now. This is really hitting right now. Little quick random advice for you guys, man. I know you see me eating this food and stuff like that, man, but I really want to start talking to you guys, man, and really connecting with y'all. I wanted to give y'all some advice. Some advice that I could take for myself as well, right? I feel like we overthink a lot of stuff, you know what I'm saying? As far as people, we like to assume a lot and make a lot of stories up inside of our heads. As far as doing something that you want to do or jumping into something that you think is a good idea, you should just do it, man, for real. It don't matter if you want to do videos about NBA 2K or videos about Barbie dolls or anything, making tables. You can be whatever you want to be. And a lot of times I deal with that myself as well, you know what I'm saying? I'll be thinking a lot and I'm like, I don't know if I should do this. I don't know if people's gonna watch this. I don't know if people are gonna like me for this. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna tell you something real quick. We all gonna die. We're all gonna die. So it's like, just have fun with life, man, and really appreciate the people around you that really fuck with you. And I mean, that's it, man. Just enjoy life, you know what I'm saying? Do what you want to do. Monetize it, you know what I'm saying? Nowadays, you can monetize anything, and that's a fact, you know what I'm saying? So, just live life, all right? Do me that favor, man, for real. Life's too short to be depressed. I ain't gonna cap. And if you're eating good-ass food, it'll help a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Open this one back up. For some reason, I can never get a perfect pull on these sauces. I don't know what it is. These joints always get left for like some wrap on it. Mm-hmm. Alright guys, that sums up the mukbang. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Peace out.